think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking the risk.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Moody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, then thank you. I hope you enjoy. I hope you stay and, subscribe. And if you're returning, then thank you so much for also coming. I appreciate you. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got these beautiful jumbo box braids. And if you want to see how, then just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I did do my hair using the rubber band method. That's how I love to do my box braids, just because it makes it look a lot neater. It makes it a lot easier for me, and it goes by a lot quicker. But to each his own. I did try to use elastic bands, but I think the elastic bands that I had were too thick, so it didn't work out. So with my next protective style, I definitely want to try like the thinner elastic bands. But yeah, so let me show you guys what my hair looks like down. So these are my braids, y'all. And this is about how long they are. They come right at my hip. Some are a little bit longer than others. They are not heavy at all. They're definitely not like light either, but they're not probably as heavy as they look. I used 2 packs of hair in the shade 1B. And the last pack of hair, I only used half of the one little thing. And you guys will kind of see in the video how I separated and everything. With that being said, I have 22. So I have 22 braids in my hair, I believe. If not 22, then 21 maybe. And at first I was a little worried that the parts were like too small, at least for like the size braid that I was doing them, but I knew it was like the perfect size that I wanted. But I didn't want to have too many thick ones, but I didn't want to have like 8 thick ones either. So for me it totally worked out. I'm planning to keep these in for like 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. I'm shooting for 4 weeks, but knowing me, they're probably saying 3. And yeah, let's get into the video. As y'all can see, I changed backdrops, but it's just because that pink wasn't working. This one's way easier. It's like, yeah. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. Y'all know I do this all the time. If you've watched me, y'all know how it is. I'm sorry. I always come back. But with us being on quarantine, this is the time for me to get right, for me to get it together. Seriously, for me to get it together. So, yeah, y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe. I got more videos coming. They're literally sitting on my laptop right now. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. So, I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and freshly blown out. I love doing my braids or protective style this way just because it makes my hair way easier to manage. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair. Parting it in sections, doing 2 sections in the front. And then I'm going to also do 2 sections in the back. The back is just going to be top and bottom versus side by side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is fast forward, and we're parting our hair into our parts. And I'm going to be using the Beautiful Textures Moisture Butter to moisturize my hair and further detangle. And I'm going to use the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel to kind of smooth my roots. And you can take this all the way down. I just decided to kind of stay at the top because who got time. And then I'm going to put on a rubber band. And brushing it just makes it more smooth. And this is what we're working with. At least I was trying to show you guys, but there is hair everywhere. But this is kind of how my parting went. On to braiding hair. We're using the Freatress braid. Pre-stretch 28-inch braiding hair. I know, girl. I know. It looks long. So we're going to do this side together. I'm going to take off the first little bundle, the double bundle. Take off the paper. And then you'll see you have two little braiding sections. I'm going to take one braiding section and I'm going to divide that into two. And I'm going to use that one for the braid. And I did this for all of the braids. And I don't really know how to explain braiding, but I'm going to start off by braiding, and then I kind of separate one side to the middle to make my three, and then I braid down again. And I know I'm probably so terrible at explaining this, so y'all probably be better off if y'all just watch it. So I'll kind of, yeah, let y'all do that. You just want to make sure that you kind of keep it detangled as you go down. So looping the hair on, starting the braid, and then we're going to separate one side so you can add that to the middle. We're still going to have our three sections, and we're still going to continue to braid. You just want to kind of keep it as neat as possible. Keep it detangled. And this is what it looks like freshly done. Still trying to show you guys my parts, which aren't perfect and aren't really the same size, but as you can see, all of my braids basically cover the terrible parting, so it worked out. And then, of course, dip them in hot water. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, then please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Stay tuned for much more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
She with me, them other niggas that stink. And now with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo.